Welcome to Simple Science. I'm Tavin.
And I'm Christine. Tavin's what?
Mother.
And?
Teacher.
So what's going on with our hair? What do we have going on here?
Wig.
Yeah, but what is this that I'm using?
A fan.
What am I using?
A fan.
A what?
A fan, not a fan as in a fan that somebody
Like
loves.
a fanalo, like Daddy's a fanalo of Barry Manilow? No. Okay, so it's really, really hot here in Wisconsin. It's like 90 degrees at the end of September. This never happens. Yeah. Okay. So we have this fan here to keep us cool.
Air.
Yeah.
Air my face. Ah.
Okay. So today's experiment is called Keep Cool. I need to turn this off because now you can see. Oh, like I got this funky. Look at this funky. Look at my funky hair. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm using this book that is called Science Around the Year. And I told you, we're just doing simple science. That's it. Because I really, truly stink at science. Now, Tavin does not, I don't care what he says, he is not bad at science. He's actually really good. I just don't think he realizes how much science he actually does. All right, so moving on, we're going to learn about keeping cool because it is so hot. Yeah, and sometimes we do this too, right? So we can use fans. We can use fans, or we can do this. When we do that, all it's doing is making the air move really fast.
I got some hair in my nose.
So when we do this too, we're just moving air really, really fast. Woo! So what happens is the moving air blows away the warm air layer above your exposed skin. So my exposed skin would be this. This would be your face. Yours would be like...
Your hands are cold.
Yeah, well, and look, because I'm sitting in a fan. Okay, and Tavin's wearing a flannel shirt while it's 90 degrees outside. Yes, okay. So your body temperature, do you remember how much your body temperature is? What, you know, when I take your temperature when you're sick, what do I tell you that your normal temperature should be? Do 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 do. 98.6. Okay, so your body temperature is about 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. We're not Celsius because we're not Canadians, eh? And heat from your skin warms the air next to it. Like Daddy is a heat generator. Like he is so hot that we have to have separate beds next to each other because he's really hot and I get really hot. It's just terrible. And you're a heat generator. I can feel him right now and he's like burning up. But then again, he's in a flannel shirt. But his hands are boiling hot. He's a heat generator like his dad. So when a fan moves this warm air layer away and cooler air takes its place, more heat is then lost from your skin to heat the cooler air. You feel cooler when heat is lost from your skin. Do you know where most of your heat comes from off of your body? Where most of your heat generates from your body? This I know. Okay.
The hair from your stem?
It's not your head. It is your head. So your head generates a lot of heat and it actually gives off a lot of heat.
What?
Yeah. Okay. Let's put the lips back, normal. Okay, so that's why it's really important. That's why it's really important in wintertime that you wear a hat because it keeps all your heat in and it keeps you warmer. But, so that's where all your heat is generated from. So when you are near somebody, you can actually feel the heat. See, like right now, I'm just sitting next to Tavin and I can feel the heat, but he can feel the coolness of my hands. They're cold, aren't they? Okay. So we're going to do a little science experiment here. Oh, you know what you need for this experiment? You. That's all we need. That's all we need. So if you have hands and a mouth, then that's what you need for the science experiment, okay? Okay, so first of all, we're going to test a couple things. We're going to take the back of our hand and we're going to put it towards our mouth. And then we're going to open our mouth and blow as hard as possible. Okay, so tell me, put it as close to your mouth as possible. No, without touching. Now, how does that feel? Is it warm or cool?
Cool.
Now move it away. Is it warm or cool?
Cool.
Bring it closer. Is it warm or cool?
Cool. Warm.
Warm. Okay. Now we're going to try something different because we were pursing our lips when we did that. Now we're going to take our mouth and we're going to go on the back of our hand. What did it feel? It's hot. I know, it's fun, right? Okay, so if we notice the difference when we go versus, we'll feel the difference of cool air versus hot air, okay? So your hands feel warmer when you blow on it with an open mouth and cooler when you blow through it with pursed lips, right? Okay, why? Why? What did we just say is really happening with a fan? It's just what? Moving what?
Moving air.
It's just moving air. Really, really what?
Really, really fast.
Fast. I got
Air.
okay. All right. So, really what we're doing is we're just moving air. And out of our mouth, we're giving air. Okay, so we noticed when it was close, it was warm. Far away, it felt cooler. So let's learn why. Okay, now, we want to ask the question, what is the difference? Why is it different when we go versus and why is it different, cooler, far away? The temperature of your breath in your mouth is the same no matter how wide your mouth is or how little you blow out the air. The difference in the perceived temperature is that with your mouth open, your warm breath comes out slowly. Okay. Gently pushes the air layer away above your hand and takes its place. See? It's not taking a whole lot of pressure and force for me to blow out like that. But when I do this, it takes a lot of energy, right? Since your breath is warmer than the air layer, your skin feels warmer. But when you purse your lips, the air is forced through a smaller opening and comes out of your mouth more rapidly. So like the fan, really fast. Okay? The faster moving air not only blows away the air layer above your hand, but also blows itself away. Ooh! Allowing cooler air from the room to move in. This makes your skin feel cooler. Wow. That's it. I'm telling you, simple science. Okay, so the next thing we can do, the next thing The next thing. This is not making fun of anyone who stutters. No. Okay. So do your experiment. Okay. But remember that keeping us cool has nothing to do with a fan, but how fast the fan is going. If I put it on low, it's not, I actually feel warm air, but the faster it goes, the cooler the air gets. So the faster that the air goes, the cooler it is. So now if you want to do another fun experiment, what we're going to do is we're going to take some construction paper and learn how to make a fan.
Ooh.
So what color do you want, Tavin?
Red.
Red, always. Well, I'm going to take yellow.
What?
I'm going to take yellow. So I have yellow. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to see if this will work here. I'm going to show you how we do this, Tavin. We're going to fold our fan back and forth. Just back and forth. I'm folding it. So fold it once that way. Yep. Then flip it over. And then fold it up this way. Okay. And then you keep going back and forth. Now you'll see if you let it go like this, kind of have like an accordion thing. What we're going to do is we're going to take it like this at the bottom. Yep. And now we've made a fan.
We're supposed to put some tape on it.
Yes. We can put some tape on it, or you can staple it. And you can even use pretty paper. But now we have a fan.
And the faster it goes, the cooler it is. Oh, no, I'm gonna break my leg.
So, it's hot in Wisconsin. Stay cool, guys. Woo!
Let's open